كان عدان كان داو برو يرسع على هذا اللي يرسع يرسع هذا اللي كم حكى هذا اللي وريا خدنا قاعد حوالي اللي فوش حلي وهذا السيل لفت السيل السوق شو Hi how are you how are you yeah where you come from Poland yeah I'm from Australia yeah I'm doing the Facebook and you like this country you like it
Yes.
but it's a little bit dirty you like the dirty too
Not really.
yeah I don't like it dirty too because too many markets and very dirty you know what I mean the Garban we say clean the country and too much you know goat and you know
Yes, but
everything
people are very nice.
yeah the people are very nice but yeah it's not poor country have everything but the government I think it's the money she put somewhere else you know what I mean you don't honest for the country I don't like it I like clean like my country Australia anyway you like going somewhere I'll give you a lift if you want where do you live you live this area
Yes, yes.
alright it's okay I have to give you a lift or you're alright you want to go
Just look around here.
alright look around alright honey my name Ruwaida what's your name sorry what's your name Marius nice to meet you
Nice to meet you too.
yeah next year I'm going Israel
Oh, nice.
yeah because I like to see there you know what I mean what they look like you have to see it around the world you know what I mean
Yeah.
sometimes
That's the idea.
welcome to Africa I hope so my country coming more beautiful the peace country the government the peace everything but the too much gold and you know I don't like it
Oh, it will be changed.
yeah we have to take the countryside you know and the lamb
Yeah.
countryside you know and the dinky you know what I mean you're not supposed to stay here you know what I mean and the better clean here too it's near in the White House
Yeah.
the market is no good have a good day
Thank you.
see ya